Why do you think healing is important?
Healing is important because first you need to understand what is that you need to heal yourself. What are the issues that you're facing, whether it's from your body level, physical level, from your mind level, or from your soul level. So, this 7-day journey which I have prepared, at least you will start your journey that how you can align your body, mind, and soul. That's small little steps which doesn't take any money that you have to spend on that. But if you do it on a regular basis, have a discipline of having that, then definitely that change would definitely come.
Why do we need healing?
Healing is like to connect with your inner light. So healing is not like कि सब लोग जो बोलते हैं अरे भाई मुझे heal कर लिया ऐसे मुझे heal कर लो. No. So it is like if someone is doing healing to you, then it's like they are entering your aura and connecting to your soul and healing you. But if I am healing myself, I am connecting to my inner light.
What will I experience in this 7-day healing journey?
This 7-day healing journey, for sure, you will connect with your inner light. You will go through your body, mind, where you are, fighting with it. So you will exactly come to know that where you need to work on. जो लोग बोलते हैं अरे मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ, आई एम फिजिकली फिट एंड फाइन, देयर इज नथिंग. बट जब अंदर का जो वो रश दिखाई देगा, when you close your eyes, when you go inside, you will see the rush where you are, heading ahead. So it would be that you are actually connecting to yourself. This 7-day journey will tell you this.
What are the basic things I can apply after the 7 days healing journey?
So after this 7 days, you finish this healing journey, there will be more awareness, and you will just you'll be more aware even while eating your food, even while drinking water. So your water technique will be activated, which is more powerful because the water which runs inside your body is so powerful that when you put awareness and heal that, it becomes it's like you're healing every cell inside.
Why should I take up this 7 days healing journey?
So to understand yourself, to know yourself more, you need to take this 7-day healing journey. At least when you're receiving and giving with gratitude, creates more abundance in your life. उसी तरह जब आपके अंदर एक अवेयरनेस आ जाएगा, आपके खुद के अंदर जो परमात्मा बैठा है, जब आप उनके साथ कनेक्ट करोगे, your soul will guide you throughout your life. Whether you have to do things. So जो रश चल रहा है आपके माइंड और आपके बॉडी में, बॉडी कभी बोलती है यार मेरे को ये नहीं करना है, पर माइंड बोलता है नहीं मुझे ये करना है. सो उस रश को एक स्थिरम देने के लिए, एक ठहराव देने के लिए it's important. So in this 7-day journey, I'm going to give you the basic simple tools and techniques जो आप अपने डेली लाइफ में आराम से कर सकते हो. उसमें आपको कोई ज़्यादा चेंज लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस सिर्फ एक अवेयरनेस लाना ज़रूरी है कि अगर मैं खाना भी खा रही हूँ तो मैं उसमें अवेयरनेस ला रही हूँ, मैं पानी भी पी रही हूँ तो उसमें एक अवेयरनेस ला रही हूँ. सो वेदर वट एवर यू डू, एक ग्रैटिट्यूड का भाव आपके अंदर आ जाएगा. सो टू क्रिएट दैट you have to do this 7-day journey. So in this fast paced life, ये 7-day journey आपको एक ठहराव देगा, एक स्थिरम देगा. और जिस चीज़ के लिए आप बहुत ज़्यादा भाग रहे हो, आपको एक क्लैरिटी मिलेगी अपनी लाइफ में, एक अवेयरनेस आ जाएगी, सो दैट आप अपने इनर लाइट के साथ कनेक्ट कर सको.